you tell us these lies? Why y'all be lying all the time, man? We like damn, y'all still ain't even admitted Santa Claus ain't real. Like, oh my God. Like, y'all just like y'all daddy. He ain't shit, that's why y'all ain't shit. I could tell Satan y'all daddy. Y'all just like Zeus bitch ass. That's why he ain't shit, and that's why y'all ain't shit. You know what I'm saying? Just lying to be lying for no reason. Like, gee, niggas wouldn't have been mad. Like, oh, damn, we can access Africa right from here. Nigga, no wonder Arizona got them type of sunsets and the terrain is different from Vegas. And it's right next to Vegas and it's right next to Texas. But somehow when you get to Arizona, they get all magical and shit in the sky and shit. Like, what's that all about? You know what I'm saying? What's all this all magical vibe shit about when you passing through Arizona? Like, I don't know if y'all ever been to Arizona. I'm damn ready to move there. Man, that shit, Joe, when you go to Arizona, I promise you, you can just feel it in the air, nigga. You be like, oh, it's beautiful out here. You feel me? But you don't think nothing about it, though. You're like, this Arizona, nigga, it ain't nothing. But when you go study Africa's so-called Africa terrain, study Arizona's terrain, just look into it. Just look up in there. All I'm asking you to do for homework tonight, just look up in there a little bit. Boy, look at the flights. Look at the way. I got a video coming up on it. Don't even worry about it, y'all. That's a whole nother live. So look, though, let's stay focused. All right? So, we won't naturally kill each other, okay? So they gotta keep what's called a crime rate there because it's the reason for the law enforcement. Remember, the law enforcement, the police is here just to kill you and to watch you to make sure your ass that we don't never come together and rebel. That's what they here to do. Even if they don't know it. Some of them don't even know that because they just working for a check. But that's the curriculum of being an officer or a detective. All right, you have a set group of people to harass, nigga. Yeah, you gonna lock up a few white people in here and there. Yeah, but get a few billies. But like, it ain't finna be the majority. Gonna be us. All right. Now, at the same time, if it's a crime rate, you have a reason to have law enforcement. And shit, if the crime rate get too high, now you can say you need the National Guard. Okay. Okay? But long as it's a so-called crime rate, you got your reason to have your law enforcement. Even though law enforcement is not there to solve no fucking crime or stop it. They want y'all, they want us to kill each other. They like getting them 10-10s. They get them something to do. They've been in the police academy all them years, doing all this shit, training, dive, rolling. You know what I'm saying? Then they'll never get to use it. Until they get a 10-10 over the dispatch. 10-10, we need a... Now they, you know what I'm saying? So... they be riding, they be like, damn, I want to get into some shit. You know what I'm saying? I do all this training. Now I just got to ride around all day. It ain't no action. They call it action. What you mean action? I thought you really cared about us. If you cared about us, nigga, you should be happy it ain't no action, nigga. Nigga, you mad if you won't get a 10-10 over the dispatch. You feel me? Nah, though, you feel me, though, Ty King, for real, though. You feel me, God? Like, man, listen. So it's the same thing with murders. Because now, when it's a murder, now they got something to do. Detectives, they up, first 48, they riding all aggressive homicide. Now they want to bail out on everybody, pistol whip everybody walking down the street. You know what I'm saying? Now they aggressive. You know what I'm saying? They like, yeah, I got a reason to whoop somebody black today. I got a reason to beat up somebody Hispanic today. Like, you know what I'm saying? Latino today. Like, that's how they be thinking. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? So... it creates the illusion of, okay, it's a crime rate, so that's why we got law enforcement. That's bullshit, nigga. You got people called mercenaries that ride around and their job is to keep the crime rate at a certain level. Okay? Now, these people are normally ex-FBI, ex-CIA, or current CIA, and all of them are definitely ex-military. These motherfuckers, most of them are fucking, like, they real hitmen. These the motherfuckers that was in wars and shit. So they accurate with their sniper rifles and their guns, and they, you feel me? Yeah. They send their best. Like, these mercenaries don't be, and they pay them good. Man, they pay them good. Like, man, these people making like millions of dollars a year just to be mercenaries.
gods and goddesses of planet God. Peace, meaning positive energy, always creates elevation. Peace to all the high vibration human beings. Peace to the ancestors for working through me. If you wish to see this full video, please head over to our official online website, www.theuci.online, and click on the video tab. Also, you can click the shortcut to this video is to click the link below. It will be in the pinned comment in the comment section below. You can click the link and it will take you directly to this video so that you can watch this full video. Please be sure to continue to spread the message via social media. Use the hashtags on TikTok, Rashad Jamal, and hashtag free Rashad Jamal. Be sure to continue. Thank you for everyone that's donating to the university and for those who are subscribing to the online website. And to purchase official crystals, please visit the website as well. I love you all. I'll be home soon. Now we rise. I leave as I come. Ashe.